Night Furies didn't disappear by accident. They were hunted, and not just because they were dangerous, but because they were too intelligent. Think about Toothless. He doesn't just fight, he learns, he adapts mid-battle. He understands humans, even communicates without words. That's not normal for dragons, that's evolution. And if one Night Fury can do that, imagine an entire species. Dragons that think like humans, but fight like weapons. That's not just dangerous, that's a threat to everything. So what if humans didn't just fear them? What if they decided to wipe them out, and Toothless was the last one they missed?